Welcome to our Motherboard Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into a comparison between two popular choices in the AMD B650 chipset category, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2. We'll analyze their specifications, performance, and user feedback to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX offers exceptional performance with its PCIe 5.0 support and robust power delivery, making it ideal for high-end gaming and demanding applications. In contrast, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2, while still delivering good performance, is more suited for budget builds and casual gaming, as it features PCIe 4.0 support and fewer connectivity options. Users have reported that the GIGABYTE board handles overclocking well, while the ASRock board provides stable performance for everyday tasks. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is packed with features, including Wi-Fi 6E, RGB fusion, and multiple USB ports, catering to gamers and PC builders who value customization and connectivity. On the other hand, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 is more basic, offering essential features without the frills, making it a great choice for those who prioritize cost over extensive features. While the ASRock board lacks RGB connectors and has only 2 DIMM slots, it still provides a solid foundation for budget-conscious builds. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is priced at $219, reflecting its premium features and performance. In contrast, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 is much more budget-friendly at $159, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money without sacrificing too much performance. This price difference is significant for builders on a tight budget, and it highlights the trade-off between features and cost. In conclusion, the choice between the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for top-tier performance and extensive features, the GIGABYTE board is the way to go. However, if you're on a budget and need a reliable motherboard for everyday use, the ASRock option is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.